Good afternoon, class. How are we doing today?
Good.
Very good. Today we're going to do heart attack on a plate known as Fettuccine Alfredo. All right, we're going to start off with some butter. Yeah, did I mention heart attack on a plate? We're going to have this melt on down, and then we're going to add heavy cream, and we're going to reduce this. Some chefs use bechamel. I don't like to use a bechamel sauce. I think why add starch on top of starch? By doing it this method, it really comes out a lot tastier, but again, it's a heavy meal. It really is. A little goes a long way with this. We're using a 40% buttercream for our heavy cream. And this we will reduce down. It's going to come to a boil with a little luck. Now this would have come to a boil already on top of the stove top due to the fact we have a Rochot. This only puts out about 7,000 BTUs, which is not a king's ransom. Our stoves are putting out about 28, which is a whole lot more, which I happen to like. All right, as this reduces down, I'm going to slowly add cream. Normally in real life, I would have just added a bunch of cream to this, probably about 2/3. You have to watch with the cream boiling over. It's one of those problems that you face while making this, especially in a restaurant application. You'll notice it's going to start getting thicker. You're reducing the butter fat. One of the first recipes a young apprentice tends to get, all those little curds falling out that you might notice out of the heavy cream, it's really the butter fat separating out. All right, this is going to get a little bit denser. And we're going to make roughly about a half portion of this. So this is going to come down a little bit more. You'll notice it's now foaming up, boiling that water out and condensing your butter fat. And if it's not going to be heavy enough, we're going to add some cheese to it too, some Parmesan cheese, some Reggiano Parmigiano. All right, slowly coming down. And add just a little bit of cream to that, not much. Great. Pasta here, excellent. Very good. Take this.
We're doing this if I did it.
Okay, we're going to coat our pasta here as it's coming down. At this point, we're going to add some cheese to this. In the olden days, in my younger day when dinosaurs were roaming the earth, we'd also add an egg yolk to this. But in today's day and age, you really don't need it. It actually added a little bit of richness to it, but I gotta tell you, not really needed. As you can see, it's just coating your pasta. It's looking good. We're right where we want to be. All right, there it is. Normally I put too much on this, but I know everybody wants to taste it. Yes? Yeah, I thought so. All right, normally you can garnish it. Maybe a little more cheese, a little pepper at the table, possibly some parsley. There it is. Heart attack on a plate. Have some fun.